Facebook going full crypto, unveiling its new digital currency Libra today, the start of what the social giant calls the Internet of Money to rebuild a reliable and global financial infrastructure. But our resident Bitcoin baller, Brian Kelly, says it's not exactly a cryptocurrency. He's over at the plaza with a little crypto class. BK, take it away.
Yeah, sure. So let's get into this. This is not to put down Libra. I think this is a huge step forward for the entire space. But let's just look at how this works and what you're getting into if you're going to do Libra. Okay, so how does it actually work? What are the mechanics? First thing you do is exchange dollars, yen, euro, whatever the basket's going to be for your Libra token. So Facebook gives you a Libra token for your dollars. So Facebook is now holding your dollars. You have to trust Facebook that they're going to hold on to those dollars, they're going to keep track of the ledger, and that your token's going to be worth something. You go out, you buy your goods and services on the Facebook platform, whoever else is using it, maybe Uber somehow is involved, and then you're left with the Libra tokens that are left over. Let's say you bought $20 worth of Libra tokens. It cost you $10 for a nice digital cat on Facebook, and all of a sudden you've got another $10 left in Libra tokens. Again, you have to trust Facebook that they're going to hold it, that the companies there are going to, the companies in the consortium are going to keep that ledger and be honest about that. That's a big difference from what a cryptocurrency is. It's about trust. So when you talk about the difference between this and something like Bitcoin, Bitcoin is trustless. You don't need to believe that anybody's going to check that ledger. You can do it yourself. You hold on to it yourself. So let's look at really kind of the main difference. And I'm going to be a bit simple on this for the crypto folks out there. They probably might not like this, but this is really the main difference. What Libra is doing is creating a digital version of the US dollar, yen, euro. It's like a stable coin, but you still have all the characteristics of a fiat currency. What Bitcoin is, it's digital gold. And in my opinion, it's probably a lot better than gold, but there is no trusted third party involved. And that's the huge difference. This is about that trusted third party. And to me, that's the revolution of crypto, is that it is peer-to-peer. You disintermediate financial services. This keeps the existing system, this does away with it. And that's the difference.
Karen's got a question.
Yeah, so let me ask you this.
Yeah, way to go, little fat man of CNBC. Nice explanation. Wonderful to hear this explanation. So for those real Bitcoin lovers, and I'm certainly one of them, just have another look of investing in Libra. It is a good investment, I do believe. I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not your financial advisor yet. Please see the difference between the real Bitcoin, the non-disruptable, non-catchable, phenomenal, original Satoshi Nakamoto Bitcoin blockchain white paper 2008 kind of Bitcoin, the real digital gold, as opposed to, in reference or in, no, and compare that to a marketing stunt of Mark Zuckerberg's team, which is cool. So from an investment point, you'll probably make a lot of money by buying those Libra tokens. Yet, there's no comparison. It's really apples and pears. Thank you so much, CNBC little fat man. You're beautiful. And I will start jogging myself as well. More information, more Bitcoin opportunities, more Bitcoin blockchain, crypto, tokens, ICO, and Purple Revolution opportunities below this video. Click links below this video. There's some other opportunities there. And then no guarantees, no promises. Get back to the person that invited you to this video. He or she has a huge surprise for you. It'll knock your socks off and blow your hair back for the next 30 years. And that's a promise. And then leave your best email address plus mobile telephone number somewhere on this page where you can do so. We won't spam you. I'll send you appropriate video information, and I'll see you and yours definitely in our webinars, live streaming sessions, seminars, Zoom calls, Skype calls, clinics, special outings, worldwide summits, and so on and so forth. Funnels, videos, classes, you name it, but definitely in the most beautiful resorts and on the most beautiful beaches of the world. Check you soon.